students, and how are you all today? Very good. I hope you are all staying safe. I hope you are all studying as much as you can at home. So today's lesson, we have Tuesday, 9th of June is today's date, 2020. Everyone say Tuesday, 9th of June 2020. And like teacher already said, we will be studying beginning sounds, r, cr and fr sounds. Good. Is everybody ready to start? Okay then, let's begin. So let's start with the br sound. B and R, b and r will make the br sound for us. Everyone say with me, br, br. Good. Now, number 2, C and R, so k and r. K and r will make the cr sound. All our students at home say cr. Good. And lastly, F and R, so f and r will make the fr sound. Everyone say with me, br, cr, fr. Okay, good job. So in today's video lesson, these are the words that we're going to use. Bride. Everyone say bride with me. Br sound. Bride. Break. Br sound. Break. Brave. Br sound. Brave. Brick. Br sound. Brick. Very good. One more time. Bride. Break. Brave. Brick. Good job, students. You can practice them as much as you like after the video lesson is finished. Next we have the cr sounds. So, crab, yummy. Crane, crane. Crib, crib. Cross, cross. Okay, let's say them one more time each. Crab, crane, crib, cross. Now let's move on to the fr sounds. Are you ready? Frog, frame, front, frost. Good. Let's practice them all one more time each, students. Frog, fr, frame, fr, front, fr, frost, fr. Well done. So let's learn about each of these words individually. First we have the br-eyed, bride. Everyone say br. Everyone say eyed, bride. So the bride is a lady who is going to be married. Next we have the break. Once again, br sound, br. Ache, long A sound at the end. Ache, break. Say it for me at home. Break. Very good. Now we have brave. The fireman, he's very brave. He's going into the fire to rescue somebody. Br. brave, ave, brave, ave, long A sound, ave, brave, good work. Lastly, for the br sounds, we have brick. Now, a brick is what we build the house with. Br, ick, br sound, with the ick ending sound, brick. Everyone say it with me one more time. Brick. Very good. Let's move on to the cr sound. Here we have a crab. Very tasty seafood. Yummy. Cr. Ab. Crab. Cr sound. Ab sound. Crab. Everyone say it with me one more time. Crab. Very good, students. Next, for the cr sounds, we have a crane. So cr, ain, long ain sound, ain, crane. A crane is something we can use to build very high. Say it with me one more time. Cr, ain, crane. Good work. Next we have crib. A crib is somewhere safe for the baby to sleep. Cr sound followed by ib. Crib. Did everybody get that one? Crib. Very good. Lastly, for the cr sound, we have cross. Cr, with the os ending sound. Everyone say cr. Everyone say os. Cross. A cross helps us to identify the clinic. Now for the fr sounds. We have a frog, a small green animal who can live on land or water. Fr. Everyone say fr. Good. Now everyone say og. Short O. Og. Frog. Very good. One more time. Fr. Og. Frog. Good job. Here we have a frame. A frame is something we can use to hang a picture or a mirror on the wall or display it on a table. So everyone say fr. Aim, frame, frame, fr. Aim, frame. Very good. Now we have front. We can have the back of something which is behind, but this indicates the front. Let's say fr together. Fr. Unt. Front. Front. Everyone at home say front with me. Very good. One more time. Fr. Unt. Front. Last one for today, we have frost. If it's very cold outside and it's snowing, we can get frost on the windows. It's a very thin layer of ice. Everyone say fr. Ost. Frost. Fr. Ost. Frost. Very good, students. Well done today. So everyone spell bride with me. B, R, I, D-E. Bride. Now let's spell break together. Are you ready? B-R-A-K-E. Break. Good job. Now let's spell out brave together. B-R-A-V-E. Brave. Now lastly, let's spell brick together. B-R-I-C-K. Brick. Well done. Let's read the following sentence out loud. There is a beautiful bride. There is a beautiful bride. Number 2. He pressed the brake. He pressed the brake. Number 3. My father is brave. One more time. My father is brave. The house is made of brick. The house is made of brick. Well done, students. Let's spell them together. C-R-A-B, crab. C-R-A-N-E, crane. C-R-I-B, crib. C-R-O-S-S, cross. Well done, students. Good job. Let's use them in sentences and read them out loud together. Do you like crab? Yes, it's yummy. Do you like crab? That is a big crane. That is a big crane. The baby sleeps in the crib. Read it with me one more time. The baby sleeps in the crib. The clinic has a cross. The clinic has a cross. Very good. Now everyone spell frog with me. F-R-O-G. Frog. Now let's spell frame together. F-R-A-M-E. Frame. Good. Now everyone, let's spell front together. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Last one for today. Let's spell frost together. F-R-O-S-T. Frost. Now we can put these words into a sentence and read them together. Are you ready? Number 1. I can see a frog. I can see a frog. Number 2. The photo is in the frame. The photo is in the frame. Number 3. There is a car in front. There is a car in front. And number 4, it's so cold, I can see the frost. Okay students, thank you for watching today's video lesson. I hope it has been very helpful during your time at home. Remember, keep studying as much as you can, and we hope to see you back at school, safe and sound, very soon.